Nhận tự như phải.
Không phải. Nhận thì.
Oh. Loyefai o. Lesson number 6, English to Union. How to use a semi-rhetorical question that will serve you in two ways. One, as a hesitation and thought-gathering device for yourself, and two, as a way to reconfirm that you understand and can repeat correctly a word or phrase that you've just learned. The question is this. Oh, like that? In Mian you can say it one of two ways. Oh, hang nai no, or oh, hang no. Oh, like that? In Mian, the word that can sometimes be contracted to So, hang nai no becomes oh, hang no. Said quickly, hang no.